But you also have say goodbye to each and everyone. Last Alaman na kasi paalis na. Ayan, masarap magpaalam, paalam. Say goodbye to each everyone. Bye-bye, Karen. Oh, thank you. I do. I like that you but myself. Paalam lang kasi last na wala na yung ano namin. Matapos na yung aming seminar. Say goodbye to each other. Ayan na nga, ang gaganda ng mga Bisaya.
Oh, asa naman?
Nana, gwapa kayo. Bisaya.